guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today we are going to be picking right back up where we left off yesterday. This stock little dust boot shield, whatever you want to call it, it won't fit over these ball joints. The stock one won't fit over it, so I need to look online and see if I can order one that are actually like for these or something, because this one ain't gonna do it. So for the time being, we're just not gonna have one on there. Find the excitement. I have to find it. Do you ever pick up the camera, Braven, and you think to yourself, like, I have to find the mood and the excitement that I'm wanting to portray in this clip, you know? Like, sometimes I pick up the camera and I'm just like, just like that.
No, I've never done it before, but maybe I'm just too early in the stages of YouTube.
Yeah, you're still too shy holding the camera.
Yeah.
But then other times I pick it up and I'm just, I want to express that energy, but I just don't have it in me. Honestly, kind of like right now. But I am very excited, believe me. Dude, this color looks amazing, especially once you start throwing it on the black. This is my first look, dude. This is my first freaking look. And I gotta tell you, it's definitely sexy. Bro, I hope the camera picks up how that freaking pearl just like, did you see it like on like the I want to call it body lines, but like on the bends and stuff, how it,
oh yeah, how the pearl pops?
Yeah, dude, like, it is freaking amazing, bro. We have got to paint a car with that pearl. I'm dying to paint something with pearl in it now.
Yeah, it definitely is a nice color.
How you doing over here?
It's almost in.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I haven't really gotten to record much.
Yeah, I know, because you insist on using your phone. But anyhow, moving on, man. Like, I'm excited to get all these parts on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the steering box on next. I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but I ended up going and swapping out that center link. This is the center link that actually goes to my damn truck. The first one that I bought was literally like, it was like this freaking long. Like, definitely not the right one, but I took it back, got the right one, and it was like a $40 difference. So I actually got some cash back too, which is pretty good. But yeah, we got the center link, and I have the new idler arm. Your son of a bitch. I still need to get tie rod ends. The reason why I haven't gotten tie rod ends is because I'm getting a special set of tie rod ends, which we'll cover whenever they come in. What sucks is a lot of this stuff that I'm putting on, like a lot of the nuts and bolts and shit, I'm gonna end up having to take back off later because I have a plan with them. I guess it's not like a huge surprise. I'm ordering all the stuff to do zinc coating myself. So some of this stuff I'm gonna end up pulling the nuts and bolts and stuff off and zinc coating them and putting them back on. Or who knows, you know what we ought to do? Since I don't have a parts truck anymore and I threw it away, I gotta go down to the junkyard and I could just grab like as much of the nuts and bolts and stuff that I can.
Yeah.
And then I could just do it with those. Yeah, I could zinc coat them and then just swap them out instead of actually taking them out. I don't know. Anyhow, moving on. Good Lord, this thing is heavy, man. see, like I'm saying, like this hardware right here, this stuff in the future, this will be zinc coated, so it'll basically look like gold like that. Shit'll be sexy, boy. All right, now on this lower control arm, since we do have rubber bushings on here, so these rubber bushings basically get sandwiched in between here, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put a little bit of lithium grease on here, not only on the bushing, but like kind of in the hole as well. Nice. It's a good practice, bro. Keep things all nice and lubed up and shit, you know? A well-oiled machine. It's gotta be a well greased up, lubricated machine so things move nicely, you know? Why does this lithium grease look like freaking rotten milk right now? You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit of lube, you know? Alright, so that would be passenger side. And yeah, this would be driver side. Good Lord, bro. Look at all that freaking travel.
Jesus Christ.
Hell freaking yeah, that is sick. Now I go back to that previous clip. And we are gonna need to get the bump stop out that's inside of here. Might not be able to see it, but there's a bump stop in there that we're gonna have to take out. I'm pretty sure this little rubber piece probably is what's holding it in. On top of that, we will also be cutting a small little portion out of the control arm up here. It's like the contact point where it actually touches inside of there. So that alone is probably going to give us about 3 more inches of suspension travel. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys the stock travel. Right now, that is at full droop. That's as far down as it will go. At least I'll have this video clip that I can refer back to whenever we do have a before and after scenario that we're able to show, you know what I'm saying? And now you can see this thing definitely has a lot more travel than what it did before. I left these bolts down here all loose. I didn't go crazy and tighten them up because we still got to put springs in there. There's no sense in cranking that shit all down right now. So waiting on parts. So I am actually going to take a wire brush to these bolts because these are a pain in the ass to put on, and it's going to suck to have to take them back off later to zinc coat them. But if I clean them up, maybe I'll just get lazy and not do it. So that's obviously after cleaning it up. I'm going to scrub it a little bit more, but yeah, but before they were just definitely grody. Well, I just realized I put this damn thing on backwards. Whoops. Because the old one, like the other side, like you can tell by where the rust is at. So that thing is a pain in the freaking ass too, because it's got nuts on the inside in there that you gotta hold. Alright, so I hung all the brake lines up in here really quick. I'm just gonna mist them with some silver paint just to kind of clean it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy, just a little mist. That's how it's done, son. That's how it's done. Getting these brake lines put on. I'm making sure there's no crap inside of them. I'm dead ass upset right now. I drank a bee. First time in my life, bro. I'm 37 years old and I spit that thing out so fast. Luckily it didn't sting me or else I'd be Braven's already making fun of me. Anyhow, in the last video there was somebody in the comments saying that, oh, you're out there picking on Braven. You mean picking on Braven? Where are you going? Why are you running? You're out there picking on Braven. He's just trying to make a video.
Well, you already told me what you were gonna do. why would I sit there and let you do it?
Anyhow, we got just about as much installed on this thing as I'm gonna be able to install right now. I don't know if I showed you, but I got this thing turned around. All these cab mounts, they're all just like kind of rusty and nasty. So what I'm gonna do is take these in there and actually sandblast them, get them all cleaned up, and rattle can them black really quick so that they'll have time to dry. So they'll be ready whenever we're ready to put the cab on, because we're going to be putting the cab on here pretty soon. Not in this video, unfortunately. I wanted to. That's why I got all the cab mounts out, but then I quickly realized I don't want to install them like that. You all right? This guy's having a hell of a time getting this engine in.
Yeah, I'm having a great time.
Got all the brake lines, for the most part, ran. So down here, bolts up to the frame. I'm keeping all the factory brake lines. This is where the calipers actually hook up. Bang, bang. I got a little bracket that goes on here. These little brackets, I also need to sandblast and clean them up. Once I get the cab on, we can put the master cylinder on and actually hook that. I'll finish up the brake lines, get them closed up. Look at this, before, and this is after. This is the rubber, the bushings that go on the body mounts. I'm literally just wiping them down with lacquer thinner. It's making them look like they're freaking brand new. But look what it's doing to the rag. Hell yeah. So I got the body mounts all sandblasted and stuff and painted them black. I did both sides, so got all the rust blasted off of them, and I actually primered them and sprayed them black. So shouldn't have a problem with them looking like that ever again, at least not for a really long time. I still have the hood hinges. That's what I'm sandblasting right now. I'm gonna try to get these done and get them sprayed tonight as well. I was fighting with air pressure, and then I realized, oh, Braven unplugged one of my damn compressors to use my cord. I was wondering why I kept running out of air pressure so quick and it wasn't building up very fast. But anyhow, I also have the master cylinder in there. Can anybody tell me what it is that this contraption right here is? Is this some kind of like ABS or something that's got this plug going to it? And if it is my brakes going to suffer not having this plugged in? Because I've literally eliminated all the wiring out of this truck. The only thing I plan on putting back is obviously engine management whenever we get our Holley ECU and stuff. And then from there, just lights, like brake lights and blinkers and all that shit. Headlights, you know, things like that. But this, yeah, I've already eliminated all the wiring out of the truck. I don't know if I should be looking for some kind of distribution block or something to do with these brakes to eliminate this, or if it'll be fine just to cut this freaking plug off. If anybody knows, please do throw it in the comments down below or message me or something. Get a hold of me. Try to anyway. Yeah, dude, that's pretty much where I'm at. I'm getting this stuff all ready for the next video of getting parts put onto this damn truck. We've ran out of daylight. But anyhow, yeah, man, that's where we're at so far. I've obviously got to get more parts in order to really move forward. So I'm just going to continue trying to do what it is that I can do as far as labor and getting things painted and ready and assembled. But yeah, we have a lot of parts to buy, so yeah. All right, well, that's pretty much it for tonight, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've gotten done pretty much everything that I can get done. I'm going to continue getting stuff ready for tomorrow. I got a big mess to clean up. We literally can't leave anything out here or else the dogs mess with it. Remember, help us with the algorithm, man. You smash that like button, you throw comments down below. It helps tremendously, more than you know. Peace out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, Toby. See you later there, homie. Bye, Braven.
Bye.
See you later there, Rughead. We can't do this no more.